Hi friends, this is your fitness guru. Welcome to the Real Fitness. So the last video which is we done with the day 3, the back workout. So hope you enjoy the video and you understood the form and the range of motion and the exercises which is I planned for you all. Actually these are the 6 variation for the beginners. That's why I'm planning for the dumbbell series this time. So all these 6 muscles which is we are doing with the only dumbbells. So the shoulder day 1 which is we deal with the all 6 variation with the dumbbell only, and the second day which is we did the chest workout with the all 6 variation with the dumbbell, and even the third day we did the back workout, we did all 6 variation with the dumbbell. So now the day 4, so we are dealing with the only dumbbells. So you can understand that only just pair of dumbbell, how to deal with the dumbbell, how to work out the overall body with the dumbbell. So you really enjoy the one pair of dumbbell with the overall body workouts. So you don't need the multiple things which is like rod, machines, other fancy stuff, a tube, resistance tube, or a Pilates tubes, all stuff, or Swiss ball and all. So just if you are having only just pair of dumbbell, so you can do the overall body workouts. So as per your convenience, you can do in your house, your office, or your convenient place, or any studios, anywhere you can work out. So these are the things which is we need to follow with the width form, with the range of motion, and with the right exercise. So actually we are hitting with the lower head, middle head, and upper head. It means each muscle there is a 3 form of things. So that's why we use all 3 grips: the supine grip, neutral grip, and prone grip. So you build with the dumbbell individual muscle which is like if you're righty, so your right arm would be bigger than your left, and if you're lefty, then your left arm bigger than your right arm. So that's why we are dealing with the dumbbell. That's why this series, all 6 variation, all 6 muscles, we are dealing with the dumbbell. So let's go to the day 4. Okay friends and family, so today day 4 we are starting with the triceps muscles. So let's start with the first variation. So the first variation which is overhead dumbbell together overhead dumbbell extension. So this is the performance. So raise your arm on your overhead, elbow get back, bit slanted, get it down till shoulder line and extending up on skyline. Just extend it up, try and touch the sky. Yes, and keep your elbow with your shoulder. This is the first variation, right? 20 count, 2 sets. Alright, so let's switch to the second variation, which is the skull crush. So you're supposed to lie down on ground or bench. So you can deal with a floor or bench. So let's go with the skull crush. So take a dumbbell on overhead on your forehead, right? Just get it back more on forehead and extend it till on your forehead and coming up, extending up on skyline again. Just keep going, elbow travel with your shoulder, right? So hope you understood the range of motion, coming down till your forehead, going up, pointed out the skyline, so you'll get a full flex on your triceps. Alright, so let's switch to the third variation, which is the close grip press. This is actually go with the dumbbell or rod, but we are dealing with the dumbbells today. So let's keep your dumbbell prone grip and together. Remember, you have to maintain your dumbbell together. You can't keep the distance in your dumbbell, so better keep your dumbbell together and just getting down half range, yeah, and on chest coming up, just go and straight your elbow joint, so you hit your triceps. So this is close grip press. Yes, keep your wrist flex, yeah, and just going up, go and lock. That's a close grip push-ups or close grip press. That's exercise mother rule, which is you need to lock your elbow joint. Lock, it means you have to straight your elbow joint, right? So this is the third variation. So let's switch to the fourth variation. So this is a kickback. So you need to stand up with the shoulder with feet distance, right? Feet pointed. Keep your knees soft, bend down, upper body parallel to floor, and keep your back arched. Elbow higher than your upper torso, and just kicking back your dumbbell. Again, point it out behind the wall. Just kicking back. How you kicking back? You feel your triceps and your brachialis too. Actually, this is the primary. Your brachialis, it means the twins muscle of your triceps. So you hit your brachialis muscle as much as possible, right? So let's switch to the fifth variation. The single dumbbell extension with the prone grip. So it will travel individually this way. Keep your arm close to your head and just travel it on sideways and point it out. So you hit your brachialis muscle again and your triceps too. This way. Yes, this is the fifth variation. And the sixth variation, which is again single dumbbell with the both arm. Here you need the heavier dumbbell, which is your right and left. So we are increasing the 15 now. So let's start with the individual arm now. Keep your elbow close to your head. Elbow travel with your shoulder, getting down till your head, coming up, point it out. Yes, this way. Very well. Very well. Chin up, chin up. Keep maintaining your chin up so you get a full range of motion and you hit the right muscle, which is your primary. Primary it's your triceps. Secondary your brachialis. So these are the 6 muscles which is we did. So these are the triceps 6 variation. Hope you understood what are the exercise we done it. So family and friends, आज हमने triceps करा. तो ये डे 4 था और आई होप आप सभी को सब फॉर्म एक्सरसाइजेस रेंज ऑफ मोशन ये सारी चीज़ आपको समझ में आ गई होंगी. सो होपफुली अगर आपको कोई भी कमेंट्स करना है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करिए. आपका कोई भी सवाल हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में सवाल करिए. आपको कोई भी क्वेरी होगी तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में क्वेरी कीजिए. और भी आपको कुछ नया या कोई अलग कुछ एक्सरसाइज के बारे में पूछना है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में आप कमेंट कीजिए. और होपफुली हो सके तो बेल बटन दबाएं ताकि हमारा हर सैटरडे जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आने वाला है उस वीडियो में आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिले ताकि नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज और नेक्स्ट मसल कौन सा होने वाला है ताकि आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें. ऑल द बेस्ट. Oh guys, so like, share, subscribe and hit the button.